I wanted to come on here because of a lot of changes that are going on with different colleges and universities. There are a lot of organizations stepping up, and NACAC, which is the National Association for College Admission Counseling, has put together a web page to help students navigate all of the different changes that colleges are implementing because of the colleges closing, not having students on campus or doing virtual meetings. There's so many accommodations that are being made. So I wanted to come on here and just share with you some of these accommodations and how you can access this site. Again, this is the site brought to you by NACAC, and it is composed of, they put out a request of all the colleges and universities to import or input their changes and if they're accepting visitors on campus, if they're doing virtual meetings, if they have pushed back deposit dates. This is going to be information that's useful for seniors to know whether or not they have to deposit by May 1st, which is pretty much the universal college decision day, or if that date has been pushed back. So hopefully you will be able to navigate through this. I have done a quick demo. I'm going to share that with you now, and hopefully this will be something that you will find helpful.
So this is the tool that the College National Association for College Admission Counseling has put together. It's a resource that's online. It's going to have updates from all different colleges and universities worldwide. So not just for the United States, but any college that imported their information to this site. You can find the address here, nacacnet.org, and I'll highlight that for you. But again, I did send that email out with that update. So that is the website. So as you go into the site, they have a little update here, but then this is the information that is going to be valuable for you. I found that it's easier to use these button and just copy that URL and paste it. And then that way it'll be big on your desktop instead of in that small area. So you can see the difference here. So now you can work with it. So in this case, the country that you're interested in finding out information, I'm going to put a United States. And right now you can see that there are 413 colleges and universities in the United States that have information in here. If you want to go by state, you can do that. I'm going to just check on Ohio because that's where I am. So now you can see that there are 20 colleges that have put information in from the state of Ohio. So what are you trying to find out? If they have changed their reply deadline beyond May 1st, remember May 1st is the date that students are to make their decision to which college they're going to be attending. Some colleges are now allowing students beyond that deadline to make that decision. Um, and then outside of that, have they changed their deposit deadline? So let's just look to see if they have changed their deadline to reply. So right now we have 7 schools in the state of Ohio that have extended their candidate reply date. So let's look at those. So you'll see you have Ohio Northern, Ohio Wesleyan, John Carroll, a lot of the private schools actually, but I do see Ohio University, which is public, and Cleveland State and University of Akron. So they'll show you when they submitted it. So again, like I said, just 24 hours ago, which was Monday, well, 48 hours now, but Monday, they asked for this information from the universities. So they're putting out all of their information. So for, let's say, Cleveland State, for instance, they open to admission visitors? No, you cannot visit their school. Currently hosting admission events? Yes. So depending on where those are, you can go to their website to see where those admission events are going to be held. So they're saying they're not physically open to visitors on campus at this time, but they're hosting daily virtual information sessions. So that's what they're saying their event is, a virtual admission session. So you can book a virtual appointment with admissions counselors. So that's a nice way to be able to still gather some information. All students and families, then you just scroll over for more information. So have they changed their candidate reply date? Yes. So the new reply date is July 1st. So they're giving you 2 additional months to make that decision, and as well as the deposit deadline has also changed to July 1st. So this is a lot of great information that you can see for yourself. If you have questions, they've given their information for you to contact them directly. So again, NACAC has done a great job in just compiling all of the information in one spot. So I hope that you found that demonstration helpful. I hope that you find the website helpful, consolidating all of the different changes. If your college is not on the list, remember, just contact the college directly, and that way you can find out whatever changes. But if there are on this list, I would encourage you to use the website also. I will be back in touch as changes are occurring, but in the meantime, stay healthy.